Roxanne, and thanks for coming to Pressing Points. You'll hear me talk quite a bit about Unisub and ChromaLuxe. Universal Woods is the company behind Unisub and ChromaLuxe. They are the world leader in hard dye sublimation products, like hardboard like this is a Benelux ornament. FRP, fiberglass reinforced plastic, and aluminum panels like this. There's a couple reasons I talk about them a lot. Number one, again, I said they're the world leader, and it's true. They've been doing this for decades, and they know their stuff. There is a science behind putting a coating, a polyresin coating, on a hard substrate. It is so much more than slapping down a white layer and then some polyresin. There's a science behind it. I'm not going to go into it and get all nerdy right now, but seriously, it's pretty amazing. How do I know this? Well, I kind of have a little inside track. My husband, Curtis Benton, is a national channel sales manager for Universal Woods. So when we had our Canvas dye sub company for 15 years, he was a customer, and we bought these products and sold them to our photography clients. Now he is the sales manager, and he's selling back to these people. So it's fun to have been on that side, and now we're on this side of it. But I also get to learn so much more about how this amazing stuff is used. So Unisub also has a fantastic resource for everybody who does dye sublimation. Doesn't matter if you're a lab, professional photographer, home crafter, you got a little side hustle going on, whatever. They want you to know how to use this stuff. They want you to be successful. So go to, get a pencil, ready? StartToSublimate.com. It's not the number 2. Start and then T-O, sublimate.com. Not only do they have digital assets that you can use, you can download these, you can superimpose your images on them, you can show these on your website. So it's like, okay, your Christmas ornament will look like this. How do you want your family's photo on it? I mean, your family's photo and, you know, the Benton family 2021 down here. People love these things. These FRP, these are super shiny, and the image is tack sharp and amazing. These are great for luggage tags, all kinds of different things. Here's a keychain made out of the FRP, super, super sharp, and it's not gonna break. I mean, I'm sure the airlines will try, but it's not gonna work. Here's a round double-sided ornament. Just absolutely so pretty, and it comes with the red ribbon. So after you're done doing this for your clients, or for if they're just gifts that you want to give out. See? How pretty is that? So you sub on both sides. This is fun because it can either be, if you do golf tournaments for fundraisers. For instance, here in Las Vegas, one of the lacrosse teams, they always do a golf tournament. This is either, you know, a sand trap and a, you know, I don't know, the 5th hole, or it's a flip-flop for the beach. Who knows? Whatever you want to put on that. Coasters. These come in shiny and then matte, and this has a textured finish on it. That's absolutely gorgeous. Magnets. Little refrigerator magnets. So what's really fun is that what you can put on this, it's like Bevan made this. And so you sublimate on it first, then you put your magnet on, because you can't heat the magnets because they demagnetize, and that kind of takes away from having a magnet. But anyway, these are super duper cute, or they could be coasters for gnomes. It's up to you. I don't know. And we've got smaller aluminum panels too. So anyway, oh, one more thing. Look at this wood one. This is super, super fun. This is, it's a maple veneer that's on it. It's, for a minute I thought it was the FRP, but it's not. This would give a great, you know, beachy, natural vibe to whatever you do. So anyway, go to to sublimate.com. Look at all the amazing things that Unisub and ChromaLuxe has to offer and get going. Put your stuff on it. Remember, without you, all this stuff would be blank, okay? Go have some fun.